Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I know this is a little bit of a different video, but today, we're making a studio. So you may be wondering why I even want to do this. And if you look over here, like this is an office desk. What? I have like gear all over the place. I don't even have a place to really sit. It's just become a storage room. So it's always been a dream of mine to have a designated studio space in the house, a place where I can just go in, be able to film whatever I want to film. Everything's all set up. I don't have to tear up stuff and redo the whole house layout just to film a video. And sat down and decided that that was going to happen. We're going to take our guest room, move it into a studio space, and use a sleeper sofa to still have space for guests when they come over and be able to still host them. So I think it's going to be the perfect fit. So I'm super excited to take you along for the ride as we build it. So one of the first things that I want to do is get a charging wall on this back wall here. Really want somewhere where I can have all my batteries charging in the same place. Right now, I've just been finding every single outlet in the house. So they're just all over the place and it's super confusing, really chaotic, especially the day before a big shoot like an all-day wedding or an event or corporate shoot. So this way, hopefully we'll be able to have all the batteries and accessories and gear kind of in one spot. But let's get into this build, see how the charging wall turns out. So one of the main things that I wanted to do was have a spot to mount a boom arm on the wall. This will allow me to do overhead camera shots or have a light or a microphone already ready to go. See how easy it is to set up. All right, so studio hack with these broom holders you can buy at the hardware store or on Amazon. I got this idea from Becky and Chris on their channel when they were going over their studio updates. But you can just take your tripods, mount them right onto the wall. Super easy, gets everything up off the floors, and then you're ready to go. I can grab them anytime I want. There you go. So I just got them putting up one of these basic shoe holders that you can get on any kind of closet or stand. I have a giant box of cables here that I am trying to at least organize a little bit better. So what better way than to get them up on the wall? Go and try this at home. Perfect. Well guys, we are done with the studio finally. The decorations are all up and I am pretty happy with how everything came out. If you have any questions on anything you saw in the build or where we got things, how we mounted certain things, or why we did certain items and hung things the way that we did, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to answer those questions for you. And let me know what you would do differently, or maybe you would do the same and plan to incorporate into a studio of your own. So with that, I will reveal the final setup. You'll be able to see the before and after of how everything turned out. But thank you so much for watching, checking out the channel, and we will catch you in the next video. Thanks guys.